What's up guys? I'm back. We are still here in Chiang Mai guys for another vlog mas. And for today's video guys, we are going to try or to experience the Chiang Mai Old City Twilight walking tour for 3 hours. So dito yung magiging ano nyo guys, parang meet up point. Kung naalala nyo yung ating Michelin Food Guide tour, parang ganito rin siya. I-meet natin sa labas ang ating tour guide. Nandito na siya actually, nakita ko na. Nana! Sawadee ka! Are you gonna be the for ano?
Yeah.
You again!
Yes.
This one?
How many people?
This one.
Just one.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again.
Darling, please have only you. I want to take you by motorbike.
How many? How many?
3 people come.
3 only? Oh.
I walk already 2 times. Now I walk this 3rd time with you. If they are not come, 2 people, I want to take them by motorbike. My knee cannot walk anymore.
Oh, okay.
But you are nice to
Guys,
see you again.
Ate Nana, remember the Michelin Food Guide tour?
Oh.
she's our tour guide again today.
Destiny.
Yes.
Baby, we are Destiny.
Yes. So we're just waiting for other 2 guys. And I hope they will come. But if not, Ate Nana will take me to motorbike. A special tour.
Yeah. I hope they will not come. Before have only you. Good afternoon.
Tour?
Jennifer?
Yes,
Okay.
I try to contact you, but I cannot.
Oh, sorry.
Jennifer, where do you know? Right now, we start here on Phra Sing Temple. Phra Sing Temple already 700 years old.
Oh.
Just behind here, we have the canal around the city.
Okay.
Because now when we go to the on the middle, I will explain you about Chiang Mai city.
Okay.
Right now, we will go to the Phra Sing Temple. You know that they cover you with the accident insurance, but they not cover you with the ticket.
Oh,
you
yeah.
have to pay ticket for 50 baht per each. In Phra Sing Temple and only with JD. Okay?
Alright,
Yeah.
okay, Cap. Go ahead.
And your name?
Just the 3 of us. Mark.
Mark.
Hello. Nice to meet you. That's the temple. So as per Ate Nana,
Temple.
what Phra Sing
Yeah.
temple? This is already 7 years old. 700.
They're going to pay 700
Okay.
years old. Now they start to pray.
Yeah. I think there's a ceremony going on. Look at that. Yun ang ano niya guys. And I'll tell you more about this later on. Okay.
We can take photo, no problem. Not explain inside, I will explain you outside.
Okay, Cap. One, 2, 3, 4. Couple cup.
You enjoy yourself. Now you can go everywhere.
I know.
A lot of food.
Yeah. So guys, there's a ceremony going on. Tapos ang napansin ko, hindi sila stricto sa mga turista na naka-shorts. Pero at least the shoulder must be covered. Kasi naka-short din tayo. Yung attraction ay yung entrance fee dito na 50 baht is excluded dun sa tour fee na binayaran natin sa tour. And they are praying right now. And yeah, you need to remove your shoes as a respect. Alam niyo ba, sa Bangkok, yung mga ganitong temple, pag naka-kursunadahan, lalo na yung mga temple na pinapasok nyo, hindi naman like pang tourist, nawawala yung mga sapatos.
Right now they pray 3 times a day. Morning before 7 o'clock, before lunch 11:30 and 5 o'clock. They pray 3 times a day.
Okay.
The monks. But
Is it every day?
every day ค่ะ
How long for each?
about half hour. 45 minutes, something like this.
Where are you from, Mark?
Philippines.
Oh, nice.
You guys?
Claire just came from the Philippines. Went
Oh, really?
Last year.
Oh, nice. Where exactly?
I did a day-ish in Manila and then
Okay.
oh my gosh, what was the name of the festival?
Boracay, Cebu,
No, I went to Cebu.
Bohol.
I didn't go to Boracay.
Okay, okay.
Went to Siargao,
Oh, Siargao.
El Nido.
We just finished the Lantern Festival.
Oh, yeah.
And we are still hang the lamp here until the 1st of January. This
Oh.
temple, they want the Buddhists to come here to hang the
Lantern.
the lamp here for 84,000 lantern. And they are colorful because we have the color of the day that you was born. Sunday, red color. Monday, yellow color. Tuesday, pink. Wednesday, green. Thursday, orange. Friday, blue. Saturday, purple. White color for Buddhist religion. That's why people like to buy here.
Okay. So as you can see guys, there's a lot of lanterns hanging. And parang ang sabi ni ate is hanggang January pa siya. Until when? They're gonna be hanging it there?
Yeah.
Until
on
when?
the 1st of
January?
January.
January, okay. Nice. Alright, so while we're doing the tour, I'll give you more details about it. This is what they call the Chiang Mai Old City Twilight Walking Tour. So twilight meaning sunset. Ayan, kagabi na. Actually guys, nabook ko to nung parang isang araw pa. Kaso nag-message sila na wala atang masyado nag-book kasi bago lang siya sa Klook. And again, you can use my promo code Mark Paragas Klook for instant discount up to 5 times use per account. Mamaya na yung ibang details. Ay, may dun nagte-temple tour pero andun may basketball court puro mga estudyante. Kalandian na pa nagte-temple tour. Andun sa loob ayun. So anyway, nandito pa rin tayo sa Wat Prasing sa loob. And look at this. Wow.
Right now, we arrived to Phra Sing Temple, 700 years old. Why we call this temple Phra Sing Temple? Because around 150 years ago, we invite Phra Puttha Singh from Bangkok to stay here forever. That's why we have the name for this temple, Phra Sing Temple. They believe that Phra Sing Buddha Lord stay with us here. Thai people or Buddhists are cool down, and our Buddha stay with us everywhere. This is why. And this temple long time ago we call Market Temple because right in front this temple we sell the stuff from home. People carry the stuff from home and sell right in front this temple. That's why they call this temple Market Temple. After we invite Phra Puttha Singh to stay here forever, we change from Market Temple to be Phra Sing Temple.
So guys, they believe na kapag may nategi na Buddhist, they're gonna be with them forever. Tapos, dati market temple ang tawag nila dito kasi yung mga gamit nila sa bahay, pinibenta nila dito. Dinadala nila dito para ibenta.
Here we have a mouse.
Okay.
10 monks that make meditation there. They have a lot of patients. They don't move because they die already.
Oh. Okay.
Just wax.
Oh, wax.
Most of them die already. Someone died 65 years ago, 90 years ago, 80 years ago, 110 years ago. 10 of them. They are very holy monk. People respect on them. That's why they make a wax, make the statue of them. Thai people know about the story of them. Thai people love them, and also they are very holy monks. That's why they make the statue of them. We want to remember them forever and tell the people from generation to generation. We can take off shoes of go inside,
Okay.
but first we can take photo of the building here. This pagoda have 4 elephant carry the pagoda, have a Buddha image inside. They believe that this one, the pagoda for the people was born for dragon year. Because this year is a dragon year. Next year is a snake year. I
Snake.
was born in the snake year. Yeah. You want
Year
to
of the
take photo
snake.
the building together here?
Alright.
I do a photo for you. Rebuilding.
Oh yeah, sure.
And then you can take off shoes and go inside.
Okay, ka.
I make take off shoes and go to take a look inside.
Alright.
You can make video, you can make photo, but we don't touch.
Okay, ka. Alright. So, dito daw, sabi ni Ate Nana, merong 10 monks na nakastay. Oh my God. Nakikita ko na sila. Pero that's wax made. Kasi these are the holy monks na sobrang nirerespeto nila. I'm not sure kung ano yung history, kung bakit. But here they are. So I think 5 here and 5 at the back. But before that, let me show you. Look. You can take photos, guys. You can take videos, but please do not touch them. Or kakasabi na. Ang galing, parang totoo siya, guys. Parang ano, 'di ba? Sa Madame Tussauds. Ang galing mo. So yun guys, we are going out na. Pero ano naman, kontrolado nyo naman yung time. Kung gusto nyo mag-picture, mag-video, kung gusto nyo basahin lahat ng mga nakikita nyo, go lang. Ganda nito oh. Nagre-reflect yung araw guys oh. Ang ganda. See? So if ever mga nasa tour kayo at alam nyo puro temples yung papasukan nyo, make sure you wear comfortable shoes. Yung madaling tanggalin. Hinihingal ako, diba? Tapos, additional information guys about this tour. Bali, ang pick-up niyo, actually walang pick-up pala to. Wala siyang hotel pick-up and drop-off. Ang meet-up place niyo ay sa entrance ng Wat Prasing Temple. Tapos, ang included dito sa tour natin is the English Thai speaking guide, which is si Ate Nana ulit. Ang bait yung Ate Nana guys. Bibigyan natin siya ng tip kasi hindi ko siya nabigyan ng tip nung nag-Michelin food walking tour tayo kasi umalis agad siya. Nagpaalam siya ng mabilisan. Kausap ko pa si Baby Nick nung time na yun. Tapos may insurance pala to guys.
Alan, you don't want to go inside?
Oh.
To
Oh, okay.
the city.
Yeah, here. Ayun. So, insurance meron din. Katulad ng Michelin food walking tour natin, may insurance provided in fairness. And then, walking tour. Tapos, not included guys yung mga admission. Kaya nagbayad tayo kanina doon ng 50 baht. Meron pa tayong isa. And then, hindi kasamang hotel pick up and drop off. Sabi ko nga, walang meals to. And beverages and other expenses. Pasukin natin to. Let's go. Tapos guys, even though walang mga bantay, please respect the temples. Ayan ang sacred sa kanila guys. So don't do anything harsh and huwag masyado maging pasaway. ba? Ano ba yan? Kasi dahil kasing apam.
Any question that
Yeah. If you want to pray with the monk, do you need to offer?
Yeah, you can come also 5 o'clock in the morning, in the evening.
Okay.
You can pray with them. See, they finish already, not so long.
Oh yeah, they're done.
Now we take a long walk to Archedi Long Temple.
Okay ka.
I can say that Chiang Mai was a colony for Myanmar for 200 years. Myanmar people are live here before, you know.
Oh,
For
okay.
about 200 years ago, Kavira king fight back with them, and then they throw them away. Chiang Mai be independent forever. That's why the architect want to compare about Chiang Mai and Myanmar. This animal, for in the northeast or in Bangkok, you can see only 1 dragon or 5 or 9 dragon. But in Chiang Mai or in the north, even in Chiang Rai, the architect want to told us what happened long time ago. They compare dragon or naga mean Chiang Mai. Mom Myanmar country. Myanmar want to eat Chiang Mai, but Chiang Mai stronger. That's why he cannot swallow Chiang Mai. He have to take out. That's why Chiang Mai get a pendant forever. Myanmar and Chiang Mai. Because in the history, Chiang Mai and Myanmar or Thailand and Myanmar, we fight a lot. More than 100 times.
Okay.
Yeah. See, long time ago, when you want to make piece of land, this is a land for the temple. And maybe they buy more bigger. See,
Chiang
How
Mai.
far are we from the current boundary of Myanmar?
from here to Myanmar,
Yeah.
from Chiang Mai to Myanmar, about 300 kilometers
Oh,
to the
okay.
north. Rai King on the left side and Pa Yu King on the right side. Father and son.
Oh, okay. Father and son, king.
And also long time ago, we make everything by hand.
Yeah.
No machine. That's why we call power of Buddhist or power of love to build very cheap and very big temple.
Yeah.
Grabe guys, napaka-knowledgeable ni ate.
Because Thailand, we are independent. We have smart king because we didn't fight with the white people. That's why we are independent all the time. We are never belong to any country.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
very beautiful building.
Tama nga naman.
We have that.
Thailand is never belong to any other country or to any countries. Thailand is Thailand. So we are done here and we're gonna walk. I'm not sure kung how many minutes, but I think yung kaninang nadaanan namin. So ito siya guys. Ito yung entrance. May papadalang picture kung saan yung entrance meeting place nyo. Dito lang si ate nakastay. Ang ganda ng mga ano din guys dito, mga temple, like napapaligiran siya ng mga establishments like mga shops. Kaya rin naglalakad ka sa street, any street dito, maya meron ka na makikitang temple. Nakakatuwa. Tsaka sabi ni ate na nga kanina, i-share ko lang ulit, kung hindi daw sisipot yung dalawa natin kasama, 5 o'clock yung ano natin meet up, tapos dumating sila mga 5:03 siguro. Kung hindi daw sila sisipot, masakit daw yung tuhod kasi ni ate Nana, kaya gusto niya itutour niya tayo using motorbike. Diba? Nakakatuwa. Guys, yung mga tour guide, mga grab driver, kahit saan, hindi sila nag-expect ng something in return. Like, kunyari yung mga tip, hindi sila yung parang talagang napipil mo na naghihintay. Unlike sa atin, di ba, meron na some lang sa atin na syempre, konting tubot mo or konting tulong lang sa'yo, nag-expect na sila ng tip, mga ganun. Pero here guys, never. Tapos kapag binigyan mo sila, sobrang thankful, as in. Yun yung mga masarap abutan. So this is a police station daw guys, long time ago. So ang ending, ito na siya. O diba? Siyempre, kailangan magano rin. Nag-upgrade din. Mueng Chiang Mai Police Station. Oh my God. Ang daming ano dito guys. Oh. Share ko lang. Ang daming mga sasakyan na nabangga. Meron pa ako nakita na sunog. Nandito lang sa parking lot ng police station. So guys, karamihan ng mga establishments may mga ganitong shrine, and kalat din yan sa Bangkok. Actually, all across, sa lahat ng sa buong Thailand, kasi this is parang ano nila, for protection. So mag-o-offer sila dyan pag morning to give thanks. Tapos syempre, yan, magdadasal sila for protection every day.
This is around good restaurant. Not expensive.
Okay, tap.
Thai people.
But not Michelin.
Not Michelin, but then also popular.
Okay. Because I was with her on the walking tour Michelin guide.
Oh.
She's also my tour guide. And she sent me the list of the Michelin food here. Khao Soi, the best.
You went to eat khao soi already?
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy. Khao Soi.
Right now, 650 years old.
650 years.
Thick wood. Thick. Inside here we have Pan Tao Buddha Lord. And also we have picture of the king of Chiang Mai long time ago. 108 is the lucky number, holy number for Hindu. Because Hindu came together with Buddhism. 10,000.
Okay.
1,000.
So, may donation guys, any amount. Tapos pag nag-donate kayo, you can take this cup, yung mga coins, ihuhulog nyo doon. 108 monk bowls ang tawag nila doon. Since nandito tayo, gawin natin. This is their king now guys. Tapos, alam nyo ba na naabutan namin itong king na to. Alam nyo guys, nung namatay yan, grabing pagluluksa ng buong Thailand. Lahat naka black t-shirt, tapos walang masaya, walang mga events, walang mga festival, walang songkran, walang mga night market. So, syempre, maglalagay tayo. Dalawa. Ayan.
And this one is daughter 47 years old from the first one. He's the same like grandfather.
Oh.
She jogging in the morning with the dog, and then suddenly she stopped for her.
She had a heart attack while doing jogging, guys.
Yeah, right now she's in ICU in coma.
Until
we
now?
don't know. Nobody.
Oh my God.
And the king, very sad. 89 years old. 89 years old.
Si ate nasa temple pero nambabangga Naloka to si ate.
Every religion not force you. Oh, today if you finish with Nana, you have to be Buddhist. Oh, after you finish, you have to be Christian. No, we cannot force people. You do what you want, right? Yeah, because every religion, from Muslim, Hindu, Jewish, Christian, Buddhist, every religion want to treat many people to be good person and to be in peace.
Yeah.
That's why one time a year in India, we have a meeting there for all the religion together. Because all the religion want to treat many people to be a good person and to be in peace. That's why. Yeah, we are not enemies.
It's a big city.
Oh yeah, I know.
Very happy guy, this guy.
Yes.
Very happy.
You know what? I was in Bangkok when the year when their late king died.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they mourned like for a year. Oh, everyone is wearing black shirt. No festival, no events. Yeah, that's how they love their king.
Long time ago in Chiang Mai, we have a lot of thick wood. We sold the thick wood to the British people. But right now, the British people not allowed to bring not allowed to import the thick to the country. Illegal. Right now in Chiang Mai or in Thailand, don't have much thick. We have to plant a new one, and we bought the thick wood from Myanmar.
Myanmar, okay.
Bells. they believe now that this generation they believe so. If you buy the bell for the temple, you can be good luck. The bell are very round. If you are he's a YouTuber, he want people know him a lot. You buy the bell for the temple, bring good luck for you because the bell very round and everybody can know you more and more.
So yung mga bell, they're gonna be hanging bells here guys para for good luck. Yan. Kung may mga prayers kayo, kung may mga wish kayo, ayan. Then ring the bell. That's why, ayun, parang ano siya, nag-a-attract ng good vibes. Diba?
A few moments later.
Oh, tourist take next door. Okay, ang ganda. Oh. Okay, so parang doon yata ang entrance kasi may bayad yung entrance dito. Ayan.
We have also for protection. Giant also for protection.
Ah, okay. Ganda oh. Ang ganda nung reflection guys nung sunset.
เจดีย์หลวงยังพวก
Welcome, welcome. It's a big tree. Pwede cap, nung cap one. Kapkan cap.
ท้าวเวสสุวรรณ and ท้าวกุเวนอันนี้จะกินส้มตำ
Scan nyo yung ticket ko.
and here
this, oh.
we have a rubber tree here 224 years old
224 years.
was colony for Denmark for 200 years
Grabe, ang laki.
Fight
As in,
and then got a pendant for Chiang Mai that's why the king want to mark the
sa atin, Balete Drive.
the center of Chiang Mai
Balete tree.
that's why we plant the rubber tree here
Oh, okay.
and also they make the center of the town here holy man ค่ะ can
Oh,
go
okay.
inside นะคะ
Here, this
You
one?
can take off shoes ค่ะ and go
Oh, okay. So, oh yeah.
But we can take photo นะคะ
Okay.
I tell you why we cannot go inside ค่ะ
So, this is for men only. Check natin kung bakit. Ah, okay. So, Chiang Mai City Pillar is located in Wat Chedai, Luang, and is now enshrined underground. It is sacred place and worshipped by Thai people, especially those from Chiang Mai. It is the pillar of the city. Women are prohibited to enter because they menstruate. Ah, okay. It is believed that it humiliates and ruins the sanctity of the city pillar. Besides, men who dress inappropriately are not allowed to walk in. It is believed that any disobeying of the rules will cause social instability. Ay, sige. This one. So sabi doon, yung mga hindi nagbibihis, like mga naka-shorts, ayan. Pero allowed naman na. Walang arte-arte. Ayan. And guys, so grabe yung details. Grabe yung mga paintings. Oh, so amazing. As in, look at the walls. Ito. Diba? Pillar. Tapos ito atin parang nagsisilbing guardian. Itong dalawa. Isa, ayun din yung nasa gate kanina. Ay, tsaka yan. Yun. Paano kaya kung may magic na, ay hindi, wala pala. Sabi pala tinuturo ng Buddhist yung reality, not magic. Gusto ko pa sabihin na, paano kaya kung mag-magic, no? Biglang maging sila, mabuhay. Parang protector ng country. Ganda guys dito sa camera, nung reflection ng sunset.
change the roof inside and also make beautiful lotus sky.
Wow, this is real? Lotus, oh. Do not touch the dragon. Ganda nung details. Ayan, sabi ni ate, Chiang Mai, and then Myanmar. I just want to take this moment guys, oh, ang ganda. Dito tayo sa gilid. May mga monk kasi. So, ayan. Tapos sabi, please sit politely. Look at that. Ang daming buta sa harap, yung pinaka-altar nila. Ang ganda ng tour na to. Kasi kung ikaw lang, wala kang matututunan. Guys, must try yung walking tour. Alright.
Over there, Saban. I follow you soon. And
Where
then we
are they?
meet. Yeah,
Okay.
over there, Saban. Now you just for the
Alright, Kap.
Then after toilet, we make home here.
Ang Kap. Ayan. Toilet to tayo. Tayo ni Ate Nana, oh. Kilala niya na ako. Ah, nice. Ayan pa, oh. Meron pa pala dito. Nakita ko yun sa, sa picture ng ticket natin. So, for sure, pupunta tayo dyan. Pero here, may toilet, guys. Sakto na wiwiwi na ako.
A few moments later.
High 90 meter, but broken by the wall. Because Myanmar people also they burn the temple. And also we have 90 meter high and wider around 200 square bar. Have 28 elephant around.
Oh.
I will show you the sample now. Wow. But broken because the Myanmar people they burn the temple. And here we have the Buddha image for your birthday.
I like the sound.
Monday, Tuesday,
Bakit yan?
Thursday, Friday. Passing temple have only 4 elephant, right? Oh, will be heavy for elephant.
So, this is the
But this one
pagoda.
have
Covered by 28 elephants.
together, not heavy. Nah.
Wow. 28 elephants?
28 ka to 8 ka darling.
Okay.
And we have 4 Buddha image. 1, 2, 3,
Oo nga.
4 side.
Ah, pero ito, hindi siya 28. Ganda, guys. Pero bawal akyatin. What happened to the other elephants? What
We
happened?
have Myanmar people burn the temple. Ka.
Oh.
That's why it's broken.
Oh,
We
okay.
have perfect elephant here.
Dragon?
Dragon ka darling.
Okay.
Dragon for protection.
For protection.
For protect our Buddha. You see here the temple, they keep the tomato or they keep fried
Oh,
for
okay.
the people free.
Oh, that's for free.
Yeah, because when the COVID-19 also, people have no food.
Oh,
and,
nice.
People can come to take vegetable or fruit
That's
from here
nice.
free.
That's for free.
Because the temple keep for the people. When the COVID-19, nobody have work. Long queue. Ka.
They're
People
helping.
came to take a food from a monk, and the head of the monk here,
Yeah.
he very kind. He give food for
Nice.
people,
Ang galing.
for the dog, for the cat, and also for elephant.
How about this one? What's that?
This one, I
Rice?
think rice.
Rice, okay.
They will put it small, and then they also they keep for the people. This one, he's the head of the monk. He like to keep food for people.
Oh, so only for the locals or
Oh,
tourists
you
can
can
get?
take it also.
Okay.
You want?
No. Ang ganda, guys, as in, para siyang, alam niyo yung nasa city tayo pero, I mean, puro bahay. Tapos may ganito, ang ganda niya, as in, hindi ako OA, in person. Meron ganito sa Myanmar, di ba? Myanmar ba? Guys, grabe yung mga monks, ang bait. Namimigay sila ng mga tomatoes, guys, for free ha. Sa atin napakapahal niya pero dito pinamimigay lang dahil nakaugalian na nila nung pandemic. So, they're just doing it, continue giving tomatoes, parang sharing the blessings. Parang you know what? Parang minsan gusto ko maging ganyan for a day lang ha. Like yung kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Pero syempre kailangan magpakalbukas, like magpa-semical. Wala lang, gusto ko lang ma-experience. Yung parang palit kayo. Ganon. Parang day off ang peg.
We have the other building also. We have a wax from Luang Ta Mahabua, and he passed away already 10 years ago.
10
He very
years.
holy monk. He
Okay.
built the hospital, built the school for
Wow.
helping people,
Yeah.
pay finance for Thailand. That's why people make a wax for him and want to.
He's really kind.
Yeah,
Wow.
no worry for him.
Ayan siya guys ulit to. Diba? Kaso, ayan, may hindi siya hagdan. Nag-iisa lang yung hagdanan sa kabilang side. Para ito sa, sa tubig, pag maulan, slope, pababa dito. Parang ang ganda ng, ng effect. Oh, yeah. Wow. Myanmar. Pero hindi na tayo papasok. Mapagod ako mag-take off ng shoes. Parang nagugustuhan ko yung sounds nung yan? Gong. Ay, kuya. Look at that, reclining Buddha. Small version. Yeah, this one, they call it Happy Buddha. Ay, parang ako lang. Look guys, parang nakikita ko yung sarili ko. Charot lang. Hello, Happy Buddha. Sorry ating nana, hindi ako nakikinig. Parang I just want to appreciate the view eh. Look, diba? Ang ganda ng pagka-detail, tapos halata mong lumang-luma na. Grabe. Piling ko guys pag nagpunta tayo ng Egypt. Oh, Egypt. Charot lang. Yung mga, basta may mga ganitong ruins. Ay, so nice. Ayan. Parang ako lang. Si Happy Buddha. 3 hours siya. Kasi hindi mo matter yun. Nagdedepende yun sa dami. Kasi diba, picture taking. Pero, since 3 lang kami, parang piling ko abot na lang tayo ng 1.5 or 2 hours. Okay na yun. And hindi ako nagsisisi. Kunin yung ticket na to. Actually, sabi ko nga, yun, kanina. Continue na natin yung kwento ko. Share ko lang. Hashtag, share ko lang. Kasi guys, pagod at tragedy tayo. As in, parang gusto kong itulog sana. Tapos sabi ko, ay, walking tour yun, baka mapagod tayo. And now, we're here. Si ate na yung bungad natin. Nakita agad, di ba? Destiny daw. Bait nga niya, basta bait. And she deserves a tip. Mamaya, bibigyan natin. Hindi ko nasasabihin kung magkano, basta matutuwa siya. Ito siya guys, so ito yung may hagdanan. But we are not allowed to go up. May ganyan sa ibang bansa. I forgot kung Myanmar or basta may ganyan din. Na yung mga turista ginagawa, umaakyat. Kung may mga naintindihan kayo sa sinasabi ni ate, minsan tina-translate ko naman para naman may karoon kayo ng idea. Maganda. Minsan kasi parang masarap may learnings or may knowledge ka about the place. And yung mga nagiging culture nila dito, nagiging aware ka. Hook. Pumasok pala tayo dito kanina. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya tignan. Hindi ko alam bakit nagagandahan ako sa kanya. Tapos yung gong, yung sounds, parang ang ganda sa pandinig ko. Tinatawag na ba ako ng Thailand? Sabi niya, Mark, stay in Chiang Mai. Mark. And, we're gonna see you again next year, Chiang Mai. Alright guys, so I think that's it. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa ating walking tour here, of course, in Chiang Mai. And kung nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to like this video, share, and comment below kung may mga questions kayo. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Taragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin. Enjoy life guys, enjoy every moment. I'm so loving this walking tour. Baka sa iba mababaw, pero sa akin worth it. Alright, so that's it guys. See you tomorrow. Mama Chup Chup. Good night everyone.
We wish you a Merry